Traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 24th of March 2021 and currently time is 9:55 am. So traders, I was not uploading videos from many days because I was doing paper trade and also I was more involved in learning process. So traders, in that days I have not taken a trade, but today I have taken a trade in SBI, you can see here, and today we are trying to get a risk reward ratio of 1:3.53. So this is a stop loss and here is a target. Okay traders, so now let me explain you the setup which I am using over here in this trade. So first we came on to the chart of Nifty, and okay traders, so coming on to the chart of Nifty, here you can see that we made a trend line here and it gave the breakdown of it. So what we did, we came to the NSE side and we picked the top losers. So here we were having SBI, and so we came to the chart of SBI and we made a trend line here also, and at this breakdown over here we entered into the trade. Okay traders, and our stop loss was above this swing high. So what happened traders, did give the breakdown here, I waited for some retracement and over here I entered the trade. So our stop loss is above this swing high and we are targeting for the next support. So how we find the next support? By going on to the bigger time frame, that is of 15 minute. In 15-minute chart, here you can see traders, the State Bank of India was getting support from here. You can see price went upside from this price only. So we made a horizontal line here and we placed it as a target. So a simple trade with simple logic, and you can see the trade is going on. So traders, now I'm pausing the video, and when it will hit our target I will update you. So traders, here you can see our target has been hit and we have booked a profit, and we have to get a risk reward ratio of 3.53, which is very good in intraday trading. Okay traders, so let me show you the profit here. This is the terminal of stock node which is of Semco. Traders, I take trade over here and you can see our today's total profit is 123. Okay traders, and you can see I have taken only trade in SBIN and we have booked a profit. Okay traders, I know I am learning, so our profits are small but we are getting a good percentage of return. Okay traders, so this is the today's trade and I have already explained you the today's setup of the trade. Okay traders, so I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.